Okay, now we're going to do a composite figure, find its volume, when we're adding two things together. So once the volume of the composite figure, which notice here we have a rectangular prism, and we're adding to that a cylinder on top. We're just putting the two together. So the way we're going to do this is similar to the way we did the last one, but with addition instead, because we're putting two things together, we're not cutting out a hole, so we're adding. So we're going to take the volume of the prism, we're going to find that, and then we'll add to it the volume of the cylinder, and we will have our total volume. Well, let's start with the prism. Okay, I'm going to come down here. It's a rectangular prism, so its volume is length times width times height. So for the prism, we have looks like a length of 14, a width of 8, and a height of 18. Multiply those across. 14 times 8 times 18 is 2016. Okay, so I come up here, my volume of my prism is 2016. Alright, so that's done. Now let's cut out a little chunk of the page here to do the cylinder. Alright, so check your notes for the volume of the cylinder. What is it? It's pi times radius squared times the height. So that's pi times, what's the radius of the circle? Look, they told us right there. The radius of the circle is 6. And what's the height of the cylinder? It's a height of 6 also. Okay, so we have pi times 6 squared. 6 times 6 is 36. Times 6. We go pi times 36 times 6, because we want to the nearest tenth. So go ahead and multiply the pi. Times 36 times 6. When I do that, I get 678.58. I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, so it'd be 678.6. So the volume of my cylinder is 678.6. We go ahead and add those together, and we will have our total volume for this composite figure. 2016 plus 678.6 is 2,694.6. And there you have it. That is the volume of our composite figure, rounded to the nearest tenth.